Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two new furniture sets that you can get in Heartopia in the latest update. So the first one, it will either show up in Bob's Furniture Shop, or you can get it from the ordering machine. So if you go to the outdoor section, you'll see a lot of new items like the curved chair, the bench, the drinking fountain, the clock, the fire hydrant, the sign, some outdoor planters, some utility pole, and we have also the portable toilet here, the trash can, and I find that these so cute. We have the phone booth. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I think I might just order the red one because it is the most iconic one. We also have some new decorations as well, I think. If I scroll down, I think there's a few things that are new. Only like the manhole covers. Maybe there's something else here that I missed, but you can see for yourself. We have the outdoor lightings as well here, but a lot of them are in the outdoor section. And then the other furniture set you can get by collecting a lot of furniture. So you have to buy a lot to earn these, which is pretty annoying because these are so cute. It's more like recipes though. If you go to collection, special furniture, and special furniture, and go to like the rewards, you can get after you finish with the collectors showcase, you can get the these cute furnitures. So cute. I don't know if they have it here, like the set. I feel like they do, but I just miss it. It's not that one. Maybe they don't have the set here yet, but did I miss it? Well, if you see it, let me know. But you get these items. So cute. I love it so much. It's like, I don't know, I just like the design and the color palette of it. Like, look at this rug. Hello, it's so cute. But I would have to buy so much furniture to get these items. So, good luck. And that is it for this video. Oh, there's actually the set. Here we go. This is what the set looks like. Oh my gosh. This fireplace slash oven, I don't know, is to die for. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!